everybody. This Pokemon Sword and Shield, this little DLC right there is messed up. You know why? I'm making that base to you. Guys. Pause the game. Guys. So remember our Pokemon on our team Beautiful Mom that Talonflame? The brood Pokemon, that fire and flying type brood? It just got one-shotted by a freaking Chewtle. And the Chewtle just used Kanto, boom, it killed Talonflame. That game is so lagged. It's so, I don't have words to say it. I was so lagged. Talonflame is a final event. Boom. Chewtle is so little and so weak. This DLC, guys, I really want y'all to get the DLC, but y'all don't have to if y'all don't want to. I'm not forcing y'all to get it or not to get it. Y'all could do whatever y'all want, amazing people. I've always wanted the DLC, and I do not regret getting it. And guys, now I'm starting to see weird things. Like one from one of PokeTip's videos, he said the Pokemon that follow you are very slow. And I just noticed that right now. Right now. Two, my Talonflame got knocked out from a freaking Chewtle. Three, the people in the game who say oh, I just saw the best Pokemon ever. Let me tell you the Pokédex entry for it if you give me 100 watts. Before I've done that, and they gave me an entry for a Chansey. A Chansey. That's not even very good. It is kind of good. It's a very nice Pokemon, but and everybody in the DLC acts like Chansey is the most legendary Pokemon and the best Pokemon that ever existed. Chansey is a cute and good Pokemon. I love Chansey. But everybody has such a big deal about it. Probably because it's new to this region or something. I just still can't believe that what just happened.